Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and happy Wednesday. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today's video we are getting all kinds of things done. We will be doing lots of cleaning and organizing as well as painting my master bathroom. We've been planning on painting the bathroom for months and we finally got done, so stick around until the end if you want to see how it turns out, and let's get this video started. My cabinets, I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. They had a lot of hairspray and toothpaste caked on, and that seemed to really get them clean. I used Lysol on my counters today just to make sure I'm disinfecting more, but normally I would just use Mrs. Meyer's for my countertops as well because I really like the smell of it. I'm curious what your favorite Mrs. Meyer's scent is. I love the peony one, but I have a bluebell coming with my next Grove order that I've heard is great, and I really can't wait to smell it. So leave down in the comments below what your favorite Mrs. Meyer's scent is. After I finished cleaning in the bathroom, I made my way out to the entryway and I am scrubbing my walls clean because my dog loves to lay up against the wall right here and he leaves dirty black marks, so I just am using a magic eraser and obviously that seemed to really do the trick. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the walls and get all of my dog's dirty body marks off. As you can see, it is time to clean out this utensil drawer. It is dirty and it needed to be reorganized, so I just went ahead and took everything out of it, and I took the liner out and cleaned the drawer, and I put a new liner down in, and then I put everything back in it, and it turned out to look really nice. Even my husband was like, wow, we have an organized utensil drawer. This is Sawyer's playroom, and as you can see, I don't clean it every day, so I just spent a few minutes to quickly tidy it up and put toys back where they go and be able to see the floor. And I also put our printer up on a table because it's just been taking space up on the floor, and I thought maybe we could start using it now that we're at home all the time. We could print out some worksheets. So yeah, I thought I'd put it up off the floor so we can access it easier. And then after I did this, we're gonna go into the bathroom and we're gonna start painting the bathroom. So here's what our bathroom looked like before. As you can see, it was just kind of like a yellowy cream color, and I kept that red accent wall because I just did that recently. But we painted it, the color is called Utterly Beige, and it's honestly the color that we've painted like every room of our house recently. I just really like it. It's kind of like a grayish beige color, and it's neutral, and it looks good in every room. So yeah, it just kind of made the bathroom look a little cleaner and not so yellowy, which I love. And we also hung up a little, it's a spice cabinet, but I used it as a little shelf in our bathroom above the toilet. And I also have a towel shelf that I'm repainting that I'm gonna put in here, so you'll see me in a future video do that, so stay tuned.